Now let us see exercise 3.12, sixth question. Now see the question. From a group of 2x square black bees, square root of the half of the group went to a tree. Again, eighth, ninth of the bees went to the same tree. The remaining two got caught up in a fragrant lotus. How many bees were there in total? So in this question, they have given one group of black bees there. So that means totally how many black bees are there? 2x square black bees are there. Okay, so 2x square. So in a group, the 2x square black bees are there. After, from this total, some of the bees went to a tree. So that is what they have given. How many bees went to the tree? That is square root of the half of the group went to a tree they have given. So how we can find out square root of the half means that is 1 by 2, half of the group. So totally in the group how many bees? 2x square bees are there. So half of the group means half into 2x square. Okay, so now 2 you can cancel it. So remaining what you have? X square you have. X square means you know that x into x only. Okay, so now 1x you can, from the square root 1x you can make it outside. Okay, so now we can see how many bees went to a tree. So x bees are went to a tree. So from the total some bees went to a tree means you have to subtract. Again some more bees went to a tree, went to the same tree. So that is what they have given. Again 8th, 9th of the bees. 8th, 9th of the bees mean 8th, 9th of the total only it will come. So again some more bees went to a tree. So that is what they have given. That is 8th, 9th of the total only they have given. So from the total 8th, 9th of the bees went to the same tree. So that's why 8 by 9 into 2x square. This is total. Okay. So the next one, the remaining means from the total this much bees went to a tree. After if you subtract mean the remaining what you have, how much? Remaining 2 only you have. So remaining 2. So while subtracting from the total only the remaining which will come. So that's why put it as a equal to 2. So remaining 2 got caught up in a fragrant lotus they have given. So now we have got it one equation. Now from the question we have got it one equation we have got it. Okay, so in our question what they have given, totally 2x square black bees are there. So from the total some bees are went to a tree. So that is x bees are went to a tree. After again 8th, 9th of the group of the black bees went to a tree. So you have to subtract. So from the total this much of bees went to a tree means the remaining what you have? So remaining 2. Okay, so that you have written this like. So now you have got it one equation. So now see here also in between minus, here minus you have. So here you can consider as a divided by 1. Here also you can consider as a 1 because here 9 you have. So fraction part you have. So here also in between subtraction symbol only. So you can consider 2x square as 2x square divided by 1 minus x you can consider as x by 1 minus 8 by 9 into 2x square is equal to 2. So now see here. Here, if the denominator same only, you can subtract the numerator. But here the denominator same or not? No, it is not same. So here the denominator what numbers and all you have? 1 and the 9 only you have. So if you find out the LCM only, you can make the denominator same. So 1 and the 9 LCM is 9 only it will come. So can you change the denominator as a 9? So now see here 1 you have. The first part, the denominator part 1 you have. But we need to make it as the denominator 9 only. So what do you have to do? So this multiply and divided by 9 and the 9. Okay. So now 9 1 is 9. After the numerator part what it will come? 2x square into 9 mean 18x square it will come. So that's first part we have got it. Next one minus. Here also x by 1 you have. So the denominator, what number you want to make it? 9 because the LCM is 9 only. So multiply and divided by 9 by 9. Okay, so you know that how to find out the LCM. Here 9 1 is 9 we have got it. Here 9 into x that is 9x. Again minus symbol. After this 2 if you multiply means here already you have the denominator 9 only. So multiply and divided by 1 and the 1 only it will come. So the same thing only you have got it here. So 8 into 2x square that is 16x square divided by 9. Now all the denominator 9 commonly you can consider. The numerator you can subtract. So this what it will come. 2x square into 9 that is 18x square minus 9 into x 9x minus 8 into 2x square that is 16x square divided by 9 is equal to 2. So after Here this 9, can you bring it to the right hand side so that it will become the multiplication. So 18x square minus 9x minus 16x square is equal to, so 9 2s are, that is 18. Now here this like terms you have, here 18x square, here minus 16x square you have. So both one if you have subtract, then you will get the answer 2x square minus 9x. So this plus 18, bring it to this side so that it will become minus 18. So minus 18 is equal to 0. Now you can see this is a quadratic equation. So quadratic equation, how we can solve, we know that. So using the product sum method you can solve this quadratic equation. So here product, what is it? The coefficient of x square and the constant term you have to multiply. 2 into minus 18, that is product, minus 36. Sum, the coefficient of x, that is the sum. So that is minus 9. So now you have to choose which two numbers. While as multiplying you can get it minus 36. While adding that same number you can get it minus 9. So which two numbers? 12 and 3 if you multiply. So minus 12 and 3. So minus 12 and 3, while multiplying you can get it minus 36. While adding you can get it minus 9, you can get it. Okay, so these two numbers are, it is possible. After here coefficient 2 you have. So both numbers you have to divide with the 2. So minus 12 divided by 2, here 3 divided by 2. So after if you cancel it, mean minus 6 it will come. Here 3 by 2 will come. So now we can write here the variable is x only. So x minus 6 into x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So here you know that x minus 6 is equal to 0, or x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. So now x is equal to minus 6 if you transpose to the right hand side, that is it will become plus 6. So x is equal to 6. Here also x plus 3 by 2 is equal to 0. Plus 3 by 2 if you transpose to the right hand side, it will become minus 3 by 2. But here we are finding in our question how many bees are there in total, only they have asked. Total in our question they have given 2 x square black bees are there. So x value if you know only, you can substitute in this equation, then you will get the how many bees totally we have in that group, we can find out. So that bees only we are find outing. So bees means it is negative part, it is not possible, only positive number only we can take it. Okay, so you can write x cannot be negative. So minus 3 by 2 bees there, that like you cannot say. So the negative it is not possible, only positive only. So now x value we have got it, that is 6. Negative value cannot be x value cannot be negative. So now positive, this one only you can consider, x is equal to 6. But in our question they have asked to find out how many bees are there in total. Already in that group totally 2 x square black bees are there. Now x value if you know only, you can substitute here. Now we know that x value, now only we found it that x is equal to 6. Now the total of black bees, that is 2 x square, we know that. So x value you can substitute 2 into x value, that is 6 square. So 2 into 6 square means 6 into 6. So that is 36. So 2 into 36 if you multiply, we will get 72. So totally, can you say totally how many black bees are there? So totally 72 black bees are there. Okay, so that is the answer. Thank you.